Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to talk about 5 reasons why you may not want to pick up the OnePlus Nord 200. I'm actually filming this on the OnePlus Nord 200, so again, let me know how everything sounds, how does everything look, and can you actually use this phone to film YouTube videos. Yes, it's not the brightest day in Texas. We have been having a lot of rain in San Antonio, which is a good thing because normally it's about 105 degrees every day out here, so let it rain. But I don't want to make this video too long, so let's get into it. If you have this phone, if you agree or disagree, let's have a discussion in the comments below. Overall, I am enjoying the phone, but I think there's 5 things that may keep people away from buying this phone, or 5 things that they can really improve on. The first thing I'm going to talk about is the low light capability on this phone. If you are taking pictures in low lights all the time, or situations where the camera is not perfect as far as sunlight or lights, then this phone may not be for you. Like right now, the camera looks good. The video, not too bad. I mean, is it the best? No, but it's doing pretty good as what I'm seeing, you know, on the phone itself. But when it comes to low light video and photos, yeah, it doesn't work. I mean, I don't care what people say, this and that. Oh, it's the phone, it's the price. I have other phones for the same price that will do a better job. So if you're into low light pictures and taking video in low lights, then I wouldn't try to pick up this phone. Also, the next thing, when you're in your room or in a not bright situation, then the display is not bad. But if you are outside all the time trying to use it, trying to read it, trying to even take video during the day, the display is horrible. And again, it's an LCD screen. It's $216, but it may keep people from buying it because it's not a OLED display. It's just an LCD. And when it comes to, you know, bright sunlight, yeah, you can't really see. You can't. It's pretty bad. Pretty bad. But again, how does this video look and how do I sound? Because I think it's doing a pretty good job. The clouds look a little blown out right in the middle there, but not too bad. So yeah, the display on here, especially in direct sunlight, is not the best. Not the best at all. I don't, yeah. It is what it is though. I mean, I got the phone for free, but just want to let y'all know some things I noticed about the phone. The next thing I want to talk about is on the speaker. The Nord 100 had dual speakers and it actually sounds pretty good. I watched some videos on that device and the speaker actually sound really good, even with the dual speakers. They took away one of the speakers on this phone and gave us a bottom facing speaker, which gets kind of loud. It's just not great. I did some comparisons. I even did a comparison with my Moto G7, which is 2 years old, and the Moto G7 did a better job. To me, sounds better. It just overall sounds like a better speaker. It's louder too, but I don't know what OnePlus was thinking. Again, I know people are gonna say for the price. Can't keep on saying that, folks. Can't keep on saying that. You know, overall, I mean, yes, can you watch YouTube videos? Yes. Netflix, yes. And again, will your older parents care about it? Probably not. Will a younger kid? Probably not. It does have a headphone jack, so, but these are things I don't like about the phone. But the overall speaker quality, it's not the best, man. Not the best. Man, I don't want to go through water with baby girl. But, so let's move on. That was number 3, if I'm not mistaken. Number 4 is overall too. If you are not with T-Mobile and you want to buy this phone outright, it's $249 right now. $249. I don't know about that. I mean, overall, you get a really good device, but for $249, if you shop around, you can get a OnePlus 7T Pro for that. You can get a OnePlus 8 for that price. There's other options that you can get. You can get last year's flagships or 2 years flagships and probably get a better experience with those phones than you would get with that one. If you're not with AT&T, I don't know, or I mean, if you're not with T-Mobile, I don't know if this phone makes sense for you, especially if you're trying to buy unlock. That's just how I really feel about it. Again, like I said, if you're AT&T, I had a friend looking for a phone, and I thought that was with T-Mobile. They told me it was AT&T, so I had to go a whole different way with them because I didn't want to recommend this phone to them, because I don't know if they had to buy unlock for $249. I just wouldn't spend that much, because personally I know I could get the phone cheaper somewhere else. Dude, what are you braking for so fast? Come on, let's go, turn. Look, people don't know how to turn. They just don't know how to turn. Come on, baby girl. It's okay, don't get mad. But yeah, overall, like, price, I know you can get phones for cheaper and get a better value. Now, if you're on T-Mobile, again, no brainer. If you have a used smartphone that you're not really using anymore, as long as the screen is not cracked and it turns on, that's a no-brainer. I mean, pick up the phone for a second phone, give it to your youngest son or kid that's young, give it to your grandparents. For T-Mobile, makes sense. Now, the last thing I want to talk about, and the last reason, the main reason why you may not even want to get this phone, even if it's free, is the Snapdragon 480 processor. Yes, I know it's a 5G processor, but man, it opens apps slower than my grandma can walk sometimes. You know, and it's just, it has hiccups on it. I mean, I had to reboot a couple apps. The app shut down on me or crash on me. So overall, the 480 processor needs some help, to be honest. I played some games on it. I'm trying to make a gaming video. It did okay, but I mean, it just takes a while. I know it's not a flagship processor on there, so yes, I know how much I paid for the phone, but again, there's some things you want to perform well, even no matter what the price is for. So yeah, so, and that's one thing. The Snapdragon 480 processor, not the greatest thing on earth, but I had to let y'all know this. I just want to go to 5 things that, you know, you may not want to buy this phone for. If you have it and you agree or disagree, let me know. If you're thinking about getting it, like I always tell in all my videos, make sure you do your homework. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. And also, have a great day and listen to the car. She sounds great. But y'all have a great day. Peace. I'm out.